Ever scrolled through YouTube and noticed those bright, bold thumbnails that just grab your attention? Today, we're diving into the world of Cricut Wireless's thumbnail design to unlock their secrets and help you create content that stands out. The first key to Cricut's success is their powerful color palette. They consistently use a core set of colors: a strong, energetic red, a fresh, optimistic green, and a clean, modern white. These colors are highly recognizable and create an immediate brand association when designing your thumbnail. Think about your brand's signature colors and how you can use them boldly. Next up, we have the hero element. Cricut Wireless often features a central, often smiling human face. This creates an immediate connection with the viewer. Making the content feel more personal and approachable, ensure your subject's eyes are visible and that they convey emotion: happiness, excitement, curiosity. A clear, high-quality image of your main subject will draw viewers in. Text is crucial, and Cricut nails readability. Their text is always bold, large, and uses a clean sans serif font. This ensures that even at a small size, or when scrolling quickly, the message of your thumbnail is instantly understood. Avoid complex fonts or too much text. Think of it as a punchy headline that complements the visual. Subtle graphic enhancements add that extra polish. Notice how Cricut often incorporates simple, clean line work or small, iconic graphics that reinforce their message or branding without overwhelming the image. These elements add visual interest and help guide the viewer's eye. Think about how a simple arrow, a check mark, or a small icon can enhance your design. Finally, consistency is king. Cricut Wireless maintains a consistent look and feel across all their thumbnails. This builds brand recognition and makes their content easily identifiable in a crowded feed for your own content. Establish a thumbnail style that you can repeat. This builds familiarity and trust with your audience, encouraging them to click on more of your videos.